Welcome back, everybody. My name is Tom Olsen. The name of the show is Olsen on Law, every Saturday between 1 and 2 right here on NewsRadio WFLA. Folks, I want to let you know that I do regular workshops on easy ways to avoid probate. And at those workshops, we talk about wills, we talk about healthcare surrogate, financial power of attorney, living wills, and then we give you all the tools that we use, you and me, to avoid probate. And I've got 2 workshops in March, but one of them has been filled up already. So, Chrissy, tell the listeners what other workshop I have in March that's available to them.
Yes, Tom, we have a few slots left for your Tuesday, March 23rd workshop, Easy Ways to Avoid Probate, and we would love to have you join. It is 1 hour, very informative. Again, Tuesday, March 23rd, and you can either go to our website at olsenlawgroup.com to reserve your seat, or you can call us at 407-423-5561, and we would love to reserve the seat for you, or, of course, give you any information or other details about that workshop. If for some reason you cannot make it in March, then we can also take a look at April dates. But March 23rd right now, we would love to have you join us.
So, folks, I hope to see you at my Easy Ways to Avoid Probate workshop on March 23rd. Contact the Olsen Law Group in Orlando on our website, call our office main number, and you'll get you registered for that workshop. We'd appreciate it.